Often when doing research, you'll encounter ebooks. This video will show you a couple ways to use those resources. I'm going to do a quick search in our catalog for sports injuries. And here, you'll notice that a number of my results are ebooks. We'll go ahead and take a look at this one. We do that by just simply clicking the View eBook link. This one is on the EBSCO platform. We can see that here. If we scroll down, we get a description of the book, more bibliographic information, and a table of contents is available here as well. If you click on that table of contents, it will take you right to that section of the book. You can also do that over here by clicking the PDF full text option. Now, you can click on any chapter or section to jump right to it and read it. And you can page through by clicking this arrow or just by continuing to scroll down. A couple things you may also want to know while using ebooks. Every ebook has some publisher permission information. This shows that unlimited copies are available and you can copy and paste as much as you want, but there are limits on how much you can print, email, or save. So let's say you wanted to print this section. You could do that by going up here to click Print Pages. It'll tell you how many pages are available to print, how long this section is. You can go ahead and click Print PDF. It'll create a PDF of it that you can send to a printer or save to your hard drive, as long as you're within those page limit requirements. Jumping back to the article, you can also search within the text, which can be helpful. Let's say you're looking for information on ACL injuries, and you can see where this is mentioned. Another tip here is that I see a lot of mentions here, 398, 401, 404, 405. I'm guessing this is mostly the section on ACL injuries. So if I start there, I'll probably be mostly in that area of the book. At times you may encounter ebooks that look slightly different because we have them available on different platforms. For instance, this is a title I believe we have on another platform. So if I click that View ebook there, you'll see that this looks slightly different. However, many of the things are the same. You can see how many pages you have to copy or that you have available for PDF. You can see how you can download a chapter. And you can see, of course, how you can read it online. If you click the Read It Online, you're also able to search within the book. If I click Mentor, I see I have 10 results. It kind of highlights the sections, even showing a little bit of weight of where the most mentions of that are. And again, it's pretty nice to read these here. You can read it from anywhere you have an internet connection. If you have any questions about how to use ebooks, contact the library.